In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down to click on Notifications. Hit App Notifications at the top and tap on Most Recent over here to pick the best sorting option for you. Most Recent, Most Frequent, All Apps, or Turned Off. In my case, apps with most frequent notifications. Finally, by tapping on blue switches next to your apps, you can block all notifications from them. To turn them back on, click on the same, now gray switches. If you want to, you can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!